Hi, my name is John. I am a marketer and I have too many marketing ideas, so I want to give them away for free. And this is a marketing idea for Stack Overflow and Stack Exchange in general. So Stack Overflow, if you're not aware, it's like the place where if you have a code question, you can put it in and then users will answer it. And it's wildly popular, but they also expanded it to other areas of interest other than just code. So here's a server one. We'll get to that in a second. But here's the marketing idea for Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow should have a podcast where they interview their best users. So here I'm over here in the just Stack Overflow users. So these are the people that answer the questions on Stack Overflow. And I've just sorted it by all-time reputation, right? So this guy right here has the top reputation of all time, John Skeet. And you can go through here. And what I would do with this podcast is I would start at like 100 and work my way up to number one. This does a couple of things. One is that it builds momentum as you're getting to the top of the list. And so you don't want to start at the top because then you've kind of given away, the greatest thing you have. And so as you're building the audience, you're also building anticipation until you're getting to the top. And I would do a biographical thing. And so you tell me about your life, tell me about the most answered question. You could do interesting things, be like, hey, has this helped in your job in any way? Has anyone know you from this, right? So there are a lot of interesting avenues that you could go from this. The other interesting thing about this is that you could move this to all the other Stack exchanges. So you can see here, these are the size of this represents how big it is. And so Stack Overflow is the biggest, but you also have Ubuntu and Server Fault and Super User, whatever that is, I don't know, command line stuff. And so you could scale this thing to all of these other verticals and it would be super effective.